Hi there, first graders. Happy end of the week. And let's get ready and jump right into April Number Corner. Today it is April 24th, 2020. When I turn over today's marker, I see another familiar shape. It is a parallelogram. It reminds me a lot of the marker that we saw on day 12, except this one's a little thinner and more stretched out. I know it's a parallelogram because the sides are running parallel to each other. It reminds me a lot of a rectangle, but it doesn't have those square corners. Those corners have been squished, so they took that rectangle and squished it down. Alrighty, first graders. Let's take a closer look at that parallelogram and decide, is this shape symmetrical? As always, we're going to start by dividing this shape in half vertically. Are those pieces lining up? You're right, they're not. It's really close. If we were able to rotate this bottom piece or rotate the top piece, we could get them to line up, but just by folding them, they're not going to match. We're going to have a higher corner on this side and a lower corner on that side. Let's try the other way. Do you think it's going to work, friends? No, we have that same problem. If I were to fold them, they wouldn't be lining up. This top corner would stick out on the bottom, just like this bottom corner would stick out on the top. If we were able to totally cut that shape in half and rotate, we could probably get it to line up, but it won't work just by folding. So this shape does not have symmetry. That's a lot of what we were predicting when we thought about our calendar yesterday. This shape did not divide into equal pieces, so no, it does not have symmetry. All right, first grade friends, taking a look at days of school. Today is the 138th day of school. Count it up with me. 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 136, 137, 138. Nice job, friends. How many more days until our next decade? 2, you got it. Oop. One thing to fix quick. We're thinking about 138 first graders. When we think about this number, how many groups of 100 are there? There's one group of 100. How many ones are there? Think of those single X's. Yes, there's 8. How many groups of 10 are there? There's 3 or 30. 100 plus 30 plus 8 equals 138. All right, friends, let's take a look at our calendar collector. When we left off yesterday, we had collected 22 sticks. This is our final day of collecting for the month. And I'm adding 5 more sticks. I bet you know what 2 plus 5 is in a snap. Yes, it's 7. Let's add it all together. Are you ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We collected 27 sticks this month or this week. Man, oh man, that is quite a lot. All right, my first grade friends, your big job is going to be telling me how much more is 27 than 13? Now, the last time we did this, I saw some first grade friends going in and they were adding 13 plus 27. Or when we did it before, they were adding 13 plus 8. But remember, I add when I want to put things together. If I want to know how much more or how much bigger something is, I'm not going to be adding. I don't want to combine those numbers. So that's my hint for you when you go to solve. If I want to know how much more or how much bigger 27 is than 13, and I know I'm not adding, what am I going to do to solve that? That's going to be your job today. You will find that under the activity area in Seesaw. It's going to be called How Much More. So take a look at that, first grade friends. When you're done, you're also going to have some dream box to do today. All right, friends, very nice job. Enjoy your weekend.